Hello my farm. I welcome you back to my channel. Just as I always say, please like, share, comment on my page. Share, like, comment. This encourage me to do more on this channel. Thank you and you are welcome back. Do you notice that in the latest AutoCAD you can actually bring out a Google Earth imagery, which is something I will be showing you today. I would like to introduce you to another AutoCAD where you can easily launch your Google Earth imagery. For those of us that work with imagery or that would like to underlay imagery on our work, especially in the field of urban planning, surveying, GIS, and other engineering work, this video is meant for you. Okay, let's go into it. Now, launch your AutoCAD. This is AutoCAD 2025 3D map. Launch it and let us click on new. Make sure you have internet on your phone and can connect it to your system. Okay, I'll be making use of my hotspot for this system. Okay, connect. Yeah, so my AutoCAD is connected as well. Let's go to map drafting. On map drafting, at this up you will see map. If you try to on it, most of you will discover that sometimes it may not load, or even if it loads, it may not give you accurate location. What you have to do, let us assume that maybe you want to work in Southwest Lagos to be precise. Let's go to our library and search for coordinates of Lagos State. Okay, let's search for 32631. That will give you UTM zone 31. Most of you will ask me, how do I know? Oh, all these coordinate system have their code. They have their code that they have already assigned for it. So for this, I'm using this UTM zone 31. I'm going to assign it to my work. After we have set our coordinate system, we can now come to map drafting and click on this map up, and we go to a suitable imagery that we like. You know, sometimes some people prefer using S3 OpenStreetMap, S3 Imagery, S3 Street, depend on the work you are doing. But for this tutorial, I will launch out S3 Imagery. Wow, this is great. For us to know that it's not an imported imagery, let me zoom so that you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is it. So it is not an imported imagery. I can still zoom to other location. So this is wow. This is like wow. You don't have to go back to Google Earth. You don't need to seek for other imagery to overlay or underlay on your AutoCAD. If this video helped you, let me know on the comment section. Also, if you want to find out how you can get this AutoCAD type, you can also let me know on the comment section. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Do like, share, comment on my page. Thank you.